Hi, this is Linda, and today I'm introducing you to the card of the magician, the first Roman number. This beautiful card is telling you all about your magical parts. Well, it is the wizard, the witch, the enchantress, the sorcerer, as you wish, alchemist. This is such a powerful card because it's all about our skill set, all about us knowing it and using it. The talents that we have, do we develop them? The magician definitely does. And it always asks the question, do you create your own life or you are just a bystander? I want to know the answer in the comments below. And this is Tarot Mysteries, the channel for your most blissful growth. See you next time. Ciao!